Hello, my name is Eric Hurtado, and this video demonstrates how I met the JavaScript requirements for my Focus Shoot movie recommendation website. Today, I will specifically show how I use API and data integration, and how I use asynchronous functionality with a try block. First, I'm going to open the movies page of my website, which is right here. Okay, on this page, the movie cards are not written directly in the HTML. Instead, they are generated dynamically using data from the TMB API, right here. Okay, so now I will open my JavaScript file. Here, I used the fetch function to retrieve movie data from TMDB. This allows my site to load real movie titles, posters, ratings, and descriptions directly from the TMB database. Next, I loop through the movie data and create a card for each movie right here. This is the card. As I refresh the page, you can see that the card appears automatically from the API response. This demonstrates my API and data integration because the content of the page comes from an external web service instead of being manually written into the HTML. Now, I will demonstrate the asynchronous functionality requirement. In my load movies function, I use async and I wait because fetching data takes time. The try block contains the code that loads the data, and if the file loads correctly, the movies appear on the page. If there's an error, such as the file being missing or the path being wrong, the catch block runs instead, and that can be found right here. To demonstrate this, I will temporarily break the API request by removing the API key. Let me take it out. Oh, it's right here. So let's take it out. Now, when I refresh the page, the movies no longer load, and the console shows the error message from the catch block. This proves that my asynchronous function uses a try block and handles API errors properly. Now I can change it back and enter the API key, so the website works completely fine. Works again as expected. In summary, my project meets the requirements because I use data information by loading movie information dynamically from an external data source using API. And I use asynchronous functionality with async, await, try, and catch to safely load that data and handle errors. So, this is Focus Shoot. Thank you for watching.